Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a boy Tyler. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you guys through on how to create an ebook design. In my last video, I posted on how work as a freelancer, and designing ebook is part of offers you can do as a freelancer. And I'm going to be walking you guys through on how to create an ebook design. So let's get right into the video. So you're going to visit a website called smartmockups.com. So you want to register, you just get started. But I already registered on this platform, so I'm just sign up for free. My name, okay, then email address and password. Okay, start free trial. So you're just gonna input the details and click on the start trial now. So that's it. Now this is how the dashboard looks like. So I'm gonna walk you how you can design a ebook template. So you just go to you go to book smartphone, okay, then you go to okay, that's it. So you just look for the book and magazine, then you go to book and magazine, then you come to the top here, then you go to books. So here we have the book templates where we can print our design. So let's just print a design on this template. So let me choose this. So we're gonna be printing a design on this template, right? Yeah. So now you just go to Google, then just search for the Good Doctor. Okay, let's just search for that, and I just come to the image section and I download something of that such. Okay, let's download this. Let's look for an image to download. Okay, I think it's good enough. So I just download it, and that's it. The Good Doctor. So here we are. Now we've downloaded our design. So we're just gonna click on the section and down and install. So that's it. Upload image. Then you come to your image section and click on it. So that's it. You're just gonna give it an adjustment and for it to size it all. So that's it. The Good Doctor. So there we have our design. So this is how you can design an ebook cover. You can offer these services as a freelancer, designing an ebook cover for customers. So this is how you can design an ebook cover. So after designing it, then you just click on the download button, then you download any quality you want to download. Let me go for the medium. So that's it, and it get downloaded, and here you have your ebook cover. So guys, I'm sure this is what you can offer as a service online, and I'm sure you've learned from this video. I would like you guys to subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos to come on how to earn money online. See you guys.